it's your girl Fly Fit Vegan, lover of fashion, snatch waist, and most things vegan. Welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Introduce yourself. And if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So as many of you know, I've been doing a series on vegan foods that can be eaten during the Super Bowl. So next, I'm going to cover something that you probably had before, but don't even think to make it from scratch. And what is that? It's hummus. Hummus, honestly, is probably one of the easiest recipes you could ever make. Easier than making cereal, to be honest with you. All it is combining a few ingredients in the blender and eating on the go. So basically, all you'll need is a can of chickpeas. I got this for $1 at my local Trader Joe's. Some tahini, a few cloves of garlic, 1 lemon, some olive oil, and finally, you'll just add a little bit of paprika after you blend your hummus, just to finish it off. Let's get started. So first, all you need to do is rinse and drain your chickpeas from the can, and I'm going to add that to my NutriBullet right now. Oh gosh, oh, mayday, mayday. We're losing some chickpeas. It's all good, they'll recover. Next, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of tahini. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, so next I'm going to add my garlic. Listen, if you don't like a lot of garlic, just add 1 clove, but your girl's gonna add 2. And finally, I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons worth of lemon juice. Y'all know I don't like measuring anything, so we just gonna wing it. And that's it! You're done. Well, not yet, you still have to blend it together. Guys, your hummus is pretty much done. If you want, you can just add a tad bit of paprika to the top just to make it look pretty. And that's it. I like to eat my hummus with so many different things. Pita chips, carrots, roasted vegetables. Listen, you have so many options. Why limit yourself? So let me know if you try it. Here's my information. Tag me if you make it and enjoy the Super Bowl.